So in this video, I'm going to go over this two-way water hose splitter. This is a heavy-duty one too, and it's leak-proof. Let me just show you everything you get in the box here. Get a couple of these little kind of rubber grommet washers that you'd use in hoses, but I've got a ton of these things. You get some, I guess that's thread tape. So if you needed to thread tape something, you could, but I don't think I need that. And here's the actual like splitter itself. So look how solid made it is. It fits any standard 3/4 water hose here, and you can see the sizing of each piece right here. Let me show you how it works. So you can see that knob in there. When you turn it on, you just pull down like that. That's on and that's off. So what I'm going to do, I have this hose reel right here that I installed. I'll just put this hose reel on here, and this thing's been awesome too. So this side is going to run the hose. And what I'm going to do is use this little hose right here for filling up water buckets and things like that, because every time we have to pull all this hose out, and no sense of doing that. So I'm just going to put this right here like that. I'm going to have the water hose where I can turn it on and off and make it work. So let's go ahead, let's install this, and then I'll show you it in action. I am not the fan of this faucet that goes straight down like this. Yeah, nothing. Look at that. Whoa, that worked out perfectly. Yeah. Okay, that works. Let's put this on here. This has a rubber washer already in it, so I don't really have to worry about that. So that's on there. Let's try that. It's on right now. Oh yeah, look at that. That worked out great. No. Okay, let's test it out. Let's test out this hose. Oh yeah, that works. So if I want to fill up a water hose or anything, fill up a bucket or something, I can turn that one on. If I want to turn my water hose reel on, there is no leakage in that, everybody. That is super dry. They were right. This thing is very dry. So then check this out. That worked out perfect on that too. I don't see any issues with this, so I like that. I like having a water hose here, a water hose here. I might buy a longer hose so that way I can turn and then water my yard with this one and use this as the water hose. So I don't see any issues with this at all, anybody. I think this is a great option for anyone that's just looking to get a good solid kind of water hose splitter, whether you're using it for lawn watering or just using it like I do for buckets and things like that. This is the way to go. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the two-way splitter. See you all in the next video.